Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you a useful guide on how to change drive letters. So let's dive in quickly to the process. First is you need to right click in the windows and then scroll up to select desk management. Click that. Let's expand this by clicking the square icon here, and then for example, we'll be selecting or we'll be changing the drive letter here. So right click that and then select change drive letters and paths. Okay, for example, we'll be changing that to letter H. So let's click change and then hit the arrow here and then for example H. So once done, you need to hit OK and then yes. Okay, to check if it has been changed, let us minimize this and then go to our file explorer. Okay, now the partition it's now changed into H. So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be notified onto our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day everyone.